What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can see liked posts on Instagram. You can see like posts that you have liked 2 years ago. You can easily see all your liked posts by following the steps in this video. This is very easy, guys. All you have to do, like I am going to like some pictures or posts, okay, and then I am going to show you how you can see all these liked posts on your Instagram. Okay, I am going to like some pictures, for example this one, this one, and then this one. Now let's say that you want to see liked posts on Instagram. This is very easy, guys. All you have to do is you want to click on your profile picture at the very bottom. All right, now you want to click it again, and then you want to click three little lines in the top right. All right, and now what you want to do, guys, you want to click on your activity, the second option. Now after you click, guys, on your activity, a few different options will come up here. Now let's say that you want to see liked posts. You want to just click on interactions, as you can see, and then you want to click on likes, and here you will find all your liked posts. Drop a like on this video if this video helped you. See you guys in the next video.